Welcome to this Microsoft Word video tutorials for beginners. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the basic of using Microsoft Word so that you can start creating a professional looking documents. Microsoft Word is a powerful word processing program that is widely used for creating and editing documents. Creating new documents in Microsoft Word is a critical skill that you will need to master. Whether you are preparing teaching materials, writing instruction, or creating assignments for your audience, Microsoft Word provides a powerful and user-friendly platform to get the job done. In this tutorial, we will show you how to create new documents in Microsoft Word from an instructor point of view. We will guide you through the steps you need to take to create a new document. Choose a template if you wish, customize it to fit your needs, and save your work as you go. By the end of this tutorial, you will be equipped with the knowledge and skills you need to create a professional looking documents that will help you effectively communicate with your students. Creating a new document is one of the most basic commands you need in Microsoft Word. You can create a new blank document or can create a new document based on a template. I will explain. Create a blank document. This is the three factor. First factor is the click the file tab, then click new. After that, select blank document. Select blank document is created in a new window. This window shortcut is press Ctrl plus N to open a new blank document. So we will discuss in a large point of view. The first part is click the file tab. After that, the next part is click new. The new screen has a few ways for you to select a template. First, several feature template will appear after the blank document template. You can also search for a template using the search field or select a template category from the suggested searches. The next part is optional select or search for a template category. When preview images of the template will appear for the selected category along with a category list. Optional select an additional category. Selecting additional categories allows you to narrow your template search even more. Only templates that fit into all the selected categories will appear. So we'll discuss about our next part. Next part is select a template. A large preview of the template appears along with a description. In addition to creating new documents from scratch, Microsoft Word also provides a design template that you can use as a starting point. This template can save your time and effort as they come with pre-formatted styles and placeholders that you can customize to fit your needs, whether you need to create a resume, a cover letter, a newsletter, or any other type of documents. Microsoft Word has a template for it. The next part is click create. A new document from the template is created. Now just fill in the placeholders with the powerful and user-friendly feature of Microsoft Word. So you can easily format and organize your content, add images and other media, and create visually appealing documents that will engage your participant. By following the steps we have outlined in this tutorial, you can create new documents in Microsoft Word with easy and efficiency, whether you choose to start with a template or create a document from scratch. Be sure to save your work frequently to avoid losing any progress. With these skills, you will in your toolkit, you will be able to create effective teaching material that help your participant achieve their goal. That's it for for this Microsoft Word video tutorial. We hope you find it helpful in getting started with using Microsoft Word. Remember to practice and explore the different functions to get a better understanding of what Microsoft Word can do. If you have any question or feedback, please feel free to leave a comment below. Then you for watching, and we hope to see you again in our next tutorial. Thank you.